Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Greek salad. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and a red onion. Don't forget Kalamata olives, a generous block of authentic feta cheese, and some fresh oregano for that classic flavor. For the simple dressing, have extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt ready. Now, let's get to the chopping. Dice your ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and any optional bell peppers into roughly 1-inch pieces. Next, thinly slice about half a red onion. A quick tip: rinse the sliced onion in cold water for a few minutes to mellow its strong flavor. Once everything is prepped, combine all these beautiful, chopped vegetables in a large mixing bowl. It's time to make our simple yet flavorful dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Once combined, pour this delicious dressing over your prepared vegetables. Gently toss everything together, ensuring all the ingredients are evenly coated. Finally, place a large block of feta cheese right on top and sprinkle generously with fresh oregano. Your authentic Greek salad is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately as a refreshing side dish, a light lunch, or even a vibrant main course. You can garnish it with a few extra Kalamata olives or a final drizzle of olive oil if you like. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your homemade Greek salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.